Here's a pair of Sony earbuds. The model number is in the title. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So first thing is make sure the buds are in a case, close it, make sure the light here turns off. And then once it turns off, go ahead and open it, take them both out, go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. We'll go to settings here, and then we're going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and to see the spinny thing here, you should see that model number, that WF, pop up here right now, okay? But it didn't pop up. The reason why it didn't pop up is first, it's not in pairing mode because it's connected to one of my other devices. So let's put this in pairing mode manually, okay? So I'm gonna put these back in the case here. And now they're back in the case. If you look back here, there's a button back here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold that button, ready, set, go. I'm holding it. I'm gonna wait till I get a blue flashing light right there. I'm still holding the button. There it is. Let go quickly as soon as it starts blinking blue. It's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Let me go back to my iPhone here, and it's still searching here. I don't have to rescan the Bluetooth, but it already found the WF, the C10N, the Sony earbuds. Let me tap on that. And voila, we are now connected. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.